What if I told you the world's most powerful science machine is not just doing experiments but also heating people's homes? Deep underground, on the border of France and Switzerland, lies the Large Hadron Collider. It is a 27-kilometer long machine built to smash tiny particles at near light speed and answer big questions about the universe. But when this massive machine runs, it also produces a lot of heat. Earlier, that heat was simply wasted and released into the air. Now CERN is doing something smart. They captured this waste heat using special heat exchangers and sent it to a nearby French town called Voltaire. This recycled heat now warms thousands of homes and buildings. The system can provide up to 5 megawatts of energy and help prevent thousands of tons of carbon dioxide emissions every year. Even when the collider stops for upgrades, the heating continues because some systems always need cooling. This is not just advanced physics. This is science helping people and protecting the planet. Sometimes the future of clean energy is already running quite beneath our feet.